Alright guys, this is something I made a good few years ago now. This is when I lived back at my mum's. And I think it was Forged at Arms, the series on YouTube, where they were making obviously these large weapons from games and movies. And quite enjoyed it and decided to make a few of my own. I made this, I think it's a force axe or power axe off the 40k universe. So it's quite, oh, I thought I'd drop it then. It's quite a size. Put it up on here so you can see it for scale against a regular axe, I guess. But let's get a double-headed axe, or double-bit axe, however you want to call them. Sage right here. Plum. So, for scale there, obviously. So I originally scaled this up from one of the original models. And yeah, it's a good weight. I'm not entirely sure how heavy it is, I'll have to weigh it. But yeah, I never finished it anyway. Once obviously the heraldry and all the other bits that it has on it. So I've dug it out and thought maybe it's about time to get it finished. I made a few other things. I made some fella, a friend of mine, wanted a Thor's hammer, so I made him that. Well, it was usable. You could obviously recycle cans and crush cans or whatever. So he's dead happy with that. I've got other things where I've made, obviously, I've got actually a batch of them to finish. These axes, which are basically just a loose copy of Gimli's axe. A load of shafts is ash. It's a solid ash shaft that I've just dyed with some wood dye. But yeah, if you're interested, I can do a video on this, finishing this. To get a photo of me holding it. You can see the scale of the thing. It is, grab a tape. So 90 centimetres, 900 mil, 3 foot. So just shy of a metre. 3 inches shy of a metre, or 75 mil. But basically just drew it out, a piece on a piece of card, scaled it up, and ended up with this. But yeah, it's pretty neat. It's a bit heavy for one hand really. Obviously it needs finishing off. Let's get up on the table. Makes a good weight for weight training, to be honest. But yeah, to do a video of it finishing it off. If you're interested, I'll show you some of the other ones that I've made. I made Doom Hammer from World of Warcraft. Again, like a full scale one. It's a big hefty hammer. All kinds of bits. Obviously I'm trying to do more traditional stuff now, but this is always fun to do. This is more the fabrication side. This is obviously what I trained to do. About 10 years of fabrication, so it's always fun to work these things in. Alright, yeah, so if you're interested, let me know and I'll get a video of me finishing this and maybe using it on stuff. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit.